everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian and today A Ginger can do 3 things. So stay with me for a couple minutes. They're not anything I could do in one video because it'd be super short, so I combine a couple of things. First and foremost, this is an equipment check. I got an upgrade and so I'm checking it out, seeing how well it works. I'm liking it so far. I've got one more thing in the mix to fix the sound, and hopefully that'll increase a lot of production value. Number 2, green onion kimchi. Last week I made some green onion kimchi. It's been sitting in my pantry, and this is what it looks like now. Oh goodness, that is ripe. So you can see that it's reduced down. The containers are pretty full and they've reduced down to about 2/3, almost halfway down. And it smells amazing. So what I'm probably going to end up doing is I'm going to transfer all this into the big container, throw it in the fridge, and it'll sit there for 3 or 4 days. While that stinks up the kitchen, the last thing, number 3, it is cold and flu season. And with everything else going on, people are at home sick, they got sore throats, congestion. I want to show you a really quick and easy tea recipe. This is my wife's cup. I end up making this like 3 or 4 times a day. So what we need is, obviously you need a cup, otherwise you're holding it in your hands and it hurts. You're going to need some honey, some lime juice, and some fresh ginger. Again, like with the green onions, I don't peel this, I use the whole thing. That's it. Well, you need hot water too. So have a kettle boiling water going. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take fresh ginger, I'm going to grate it over the cup, and you want at least a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half. Tell you what, that kimchi is really making this kitchen smell amazing. So that's about a tablespoon and a half. And then for lime juice, I add about a teaspoon. You can use freshly squeezed limes, but I don't normally have them on hand. So bottled lime juice works just fine. And honey, at least a tablespoon. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. You dump your boiling water in there, you stir it up a little bit, bam, ginger tea. It helps soothe your throat, clear up your sinuses a little bit, especially if you add a lot of ginger. It'll really open your sinuses up. Hey, I just wanted to interrupt the video real fast. This has been sitting in my fridge for 4, 5 days, I can't remember now. And I just wanted to show this off. Nope. I slosh it around every now and then to get everything mixed in. I've added more water, but this is all 3 containers in one. And it's looking beautiful. It really is. That's perfect. Throw this on some rice, good to go. So yeah, easy green onion kimchi. Okay, I'll let you get back to the video. So that's all I got for today. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you for subscribing. Comment down below. Share this with your friends. Give it a thumbs up, give it a like. So this has been A Ginger Can. We knocked out 3 things pretty darn quickly. We did an equipment check. We checked on the green onion kimchi. Again, I'm going to combine that, throw that in the fridge. And I showed you how to make a quick and super healthy ginger tea for when you're not feeling so good. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.